Hello, everyone. I wanted to make a couple of quick videos here to kind of walk you through the worksheet. We didn't cover a lot of that when we were in the computer lab the other night, so I wanted to give you some supplemental help, some check digits, and walk you through a couple of examples here on video. And the first place I want to start, and there are going to be two videos. There's this going to be this kind of short one that just describes there is a section of the textbook. It is on page 213 in your e-textbook, or if you have the hard copy, it's there as well. And it talks about the worksheet. So here we have the worksheet from our overnight auto service. You can see it looks similar to what the worksheet in the comprehensive problem looks like. The balance sheets are up here. You see the income statements down there. Then you can see it kind of going across. Here are the adjustments. There's some verbiage here. How is a worksheet used? Um, um, and then here's some mechanics about how it's done. The first thing you do is enter your ledger account balance in the trial balance columns. So the first column is our unadjusted trial balance. So those figures would come from your Part 1A. And then the second part, enter the adjustments. So all of your adjusting entries go here, go in this column here, and then you get an adjusted trial balance here. And so you can see here, just to give you an example, here cash has a debit balance of 18,592, and then again there are no adjustments, so that comes straight over as the debit. 6,500 comes over. There was an adjustment here, and so then of course that's a debit. That's a debit. Add them together to get that adjusted trial balance, and so on and so forth here. Then once you sort of get that done, then you prepare an adjusted trial balance, that column that I just went up there, and you're just adding those together. And once you get here, you're almost done. And then you pull the adjusted trial balance into the appropriate financial column. So for example, you can't see it here, but this would have pulled over into the balance sheet. You can kind of see them down here in the income statement. Here's some advertising expense. That comes over into the income statement as a debit because it's an expense. So this is a good place if you want to study up and kind of have some reading and something to refer back to. This is a good place to start. And so in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and work through some of the actual problems to give you an idea of how to get started and what you need to do there.